Problem number 5. Last week, a certain brand of water cost $1.25 for a 16-ounce bottle. This week, the water is on sale for $1 for the same amount of water. What is the percent decrease in the price of this bottle of water? Okay, so there's two ways I can solve this problem. I'm going to show you just two ways. Actually, there's more than two ways. However, I just want you to look at it in terms of money. $1.25 and $1. What can we think of? Quarters. $1.25 is equivalent to 5 quarters. And $1 is equivalent to 4 quarters. So here, I need to figure out what was the percent decrease. So I am going from 5 quarters down to just 4. And the amount that I actually lost is 1 quarter. So I'm going to show you this in terms of a picture. Here's my 5 quarters, the price of last week, and this week, one of those quarters is gone. So 1 out of 5 quarters disappeared, so my percent decrease is going to be 1 out of 5, which I know is equal to 20% decrease. So my answer choice here is C. All right. However, you won't always find easy numbers to work with. This method right here is actually very useful for when you have nice numbers. So let's just imagine that we don't have nice numbers. I'm going to erase everything, okay? Again, I have $1.25, and it went down to just $1. So the amount that I lost here is 25 cents. So I know that this right here is going to be decreasing because I lost 25 cents. All right, so here's the formal definition. Percent change. I'm not going to say whether it's increasing or decreasing, but the amount changing, the percent changing, is going to be equal to the difference over the original. And the reason why we are comparing to the original is we always compare to the original amount. And here my original amount is $1.25. That was the original price of the bottle of water before it went on sale. And I'm going to multiply everything by 100% to change it to a percent at the end. Because this number right here, this fraction right here, will get me a decimal number or a fraction. And in order for me to get into percent form, I need to multiply it by the 100% right here. Okay? So again, my difference, I lost 25 cents. I'm not going to worry about this sign change right now. I do already know that it's percent decreasing, so I don't need to add in that negative sign. The original amount is $1.25. And in order for me to divide, I'm going to move my decimal places 2 places to the right to get 25 divided by 125. Well, here, this is a nice number. Normally, I can just divide the top divided by the bottom. But what I have here, I can just reduce it by 25 cents. Or, because I like to think in terms of money, it helps me divide easier. So 25 divided by 25, I get 1. 125 divided by 25, I get 5. So 1 divided by 5, again, is 0.2. That's my benchmark fraction. And I multiply that by 100% to change it to 20%. I still get the same answer regardless. So in this second step method right here, I use this equation. The percent change is equal to the difference divided by the original and multiplied by 100% to change it to a percent.